Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an Under Armour account. Let's start. An Under Armour account is a free, personalized account that works for all Under Armour apps and websites. In the first step, go to underarmour.com. Then click on Register. Enter your email address here. Then create your password. Check this box and finally select Create an account. Very fast and easy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.